Hello, welcome. I hope you are doing great. I hope you're doing well today. I'm so glad that you joined this channel. You probably don't know what to expect if you are going through the probate process. I know I didn't know what to expect until I entered this world. And that's one of the reasons why I'm here to share with you what to expect if you are in North Carolina going through the probate process. A lot of us, when we step into this, you're already mourning the loss of a loved one, and you have either taken on or you've been appointed as the executor, executrix, or administrator of the estate. And it's a tremendous amount of responsibility, and you may not realize or find out that the process can be very long, very tedious, and very, very expensive. So I want to share with you some of the things to expect if you find yourself in this position. And please also know that you are not alone and there is support and help for you. Now, I also want to let you know that I am not an attorney. I'm not giving legal advice. I'm just sharing what I have learned along the way and what I continue to learn as I continue to become the expert in Durham, North Carolina, meeting with the clerks, meeting with the assistant clerk, meeting with the folks, a nationwide group of national certified probate experts so that we can better serve folks and educate folks so that they can understand what to expect, and most important, how to avoid it for themselves and others in the future. So if you're in North Carolina, phase one, there's going to be the information gathering, finding out all the heirs, finding out everyone, all the relatives, and all the expected beneficiaries of the inheritance, if there are inheritance left over. And that's when the probate will be open if it is designated to go through probate. And at that time, there will be phase two is when it says, hey, the probate is open. And at that same time, phase three, a fiduciary is assigned. That is the executor, executrix, if it is designated in a last will and testament, or perhaps an administrator if the court-appointed judge or clerk has to appoint someone to be the fiduciary. And then at that point, the fiduciary's responsibility is to find an inventory and evaluation of every single asset, every single piece of personal property to the minute that loved one or that person was deceased, finding out how much it was valued at that time. After that is found out and it is verified and it is confirmed, then all creditors are paid off, all taxes are paid, and everyone, again, is paid based on those claims. Then at that point, the distribution of any inheritance or any leftover funds are distributed to all those who are legally have the right to receive those inheritances. And finally, that was phase six. And then finally, phase seven, we have the closing of the estate. The fiduciary is no longer responsible for any for carrying out the last wishes of the deceased party. It is a long process. Make sure you find a great probate attorney, a family attorney, and an estate planner or estate attorney who can help you navigate the process and avoid the process. And there are amazing attorneys out there. And still, there are going to be things that are going to be outside the purview of the attorney, things that they may ask you to do that you may still need support. And that's where estate pro services or certified probate experts such as myself can come in. We can help anywhere from cleaning and hauling out personal and real property, making sure you have the proper signage on the property. If there's not property involved, making sure that you have assistance getting the proper paperwork to and from the right appointed places. From A to Z, we're here to help. We're here to support you. Check us out at estateproservice.com for more support and more help. And we really, truly lead with a heart, head, and hands-on approach to helping you navigate the probate process. My name is Courtney Rollins, certified probate expert of Durham, North Carolina, and I look forward to meeting you. Cheers. Have a great and wonderful day.